Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio AI features, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Twilio AI features, start by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Programmable Voice or Programmable SMS section, depending on your project. Click on the desired section to open the related options. Next, select AI features from the menu on the left side. You will see a list of available AI features, such as speech recognition and natural language processing. Choose the specific AI feature you want to activate. For example, if you select speech recognition, click on it to access the configuration settings. In the configuration settings, review the prerequisites for enabling the feature. Make sure you have the necessary API keys and credentials. After confirming your prerequisites, locate the Activate button. Click the Activate button to enable the chosen AI feature. You may be prompted to input additional settings based on the feature selected. Fill in any required fields, such as language options or speech models. Once all settings are configured, review them carefully to ensure accuracy. After reviewing, click Save to store your settings. To test the activated AI feature, navigate to the Test section within the AI Features menu. Follow the prompts to conduct a live test of the activated feature. Monitor the output from your test to ensure the feature is functioning as expected. If needed, revisit the configuration settings to make any adjustments. For further enhancements, explore the documentation for additional functionalities and integrations. Finally, keep an eye on any updates from Twilio regarding new AI features or improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.